Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be talking about the various business intelligence tools that are widely used in industry. From Power BI to Tableau, QlikView to Qlik Sense, and many more. We'll provide an overview of each tool and discuss its key features and capabilities. So let's dive in and explore the diverse landscape of business intelligence tools available to analysts and organizations. The first one in our list is Power BI. As you may have already known, Power BI is a powerful business analytical tool developed by Microsoft. It enables the users to connect to the wide range of data sources, visualize the data through their interactive dashboards and reports, and share these insights with the stakeholders. With its user friendly interface and integration with other Microsoft products, Power BI is a popular choice for organizations looking to harness the power of data to drive the informed decision making. The next one is Tableau. Tableau is another leading BI tool known for its robust data visualization capabilities. It allows the users to create the interactive dashboards and visualizations using a drag and drop interface, which makes it easy to explore and analyze the data. With features like Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, and Tableau Online, Tableau offers a comprehensive solution for data visualization and analytics, catering to the needs of both individual users and enterprise level deployments. The next one is the QlikView or Qlik Sense. QlikView and Qlik Sense are two BI tools developed by Qlik, offering powerful data discovery and visualization capabilities. QlikView is known for its associative data models, which enables the users to explore the data dynamically and uncover the hidden insights. Qlik Sense, on the other hand, is a modern self-service analytical platform that empowers the users to create the personalized dashboards and reports. With their intuitive interface and associative analytical engine, QlikView and Qlik Sense are a popular choice for organizations seeking to democratize the data and empower the users at all levels. The next one is Looker. Looker is a cloud based BI platform that focuses on data exploration and collaboration. It offers a unique modeling language called LookML, which allows the user to define the data models and metrics in a centralized repository. With Looker, users can create the usable data definitions and build customized dashboards and reports that align with their specific business needs. Looker emphasis on data governance and collaboration makes it a preferred choice for organizations looking to scale their analytical initiatives and drive a data driven culture. The next one in our list is Sisense. Sisense is a BI tool that specializes in a complex data analysis and visualizations. It offers a high performance in memory databases and advanced analytical capabilities, which allows the users to process the large volume of data quickly and efficiently. With features like Sisense blocks and Sisense pearls, user can create the dynamic data visualizations and receive real-time alerts on key metrics. Sisense focus on data preparation and advanced analytics makes it well suited for organizations with complex data environments and analytical requirements. The next one in the list is IBM Cognos Analytics. IBM Cognos Analytics is an enterprise grade BI platform that offers a wide range of features for reporting, analysis, and planning. It includes modules for dashboards, reports, and data exploration, as well as advanced capabilities for predictive analytics and scenario modeling. With integration of it with the IBM Watson AI, Cognos Analytics Pro enables the users to leverage the machine learning algorithms to uncover the insights and drive smart decision makings. IBM Cognos Analytics is a popular choice for large enterprises looking for a comprehensive BI solution that can scale to meet their evolving needs. The next one in the list is Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is a free BI tool offered by Google that enables the users to create interactive dashboards and reports using data from various sources. It integrates seamlessly with other Google products like Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Google Sheets, making it easier to visualize and analyze the data across different platforms. With its intuitive drag and drop interface and customizable templates, Google Data Studio is an excellent choice for individuals and small businesses looking for a simple yet powerful BI solution. The next one in the list is Domo. Domo is a cloud based BI platform that offers a wide range of features for data visualizations, collaboration, and decision making. It includes modules for dashboards, reports, and data integration, as well as advanced capabilities for predictive analysis and machine learning. With its focus on usability and accessibility, Domo enables users to easily explore and analyze the data from any device, anywhere, and anytime. Domo's emphasis on data democratization and user empowerment makes it a popular choice for organizations of all sizes. The next one in the list is MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is an enterprise BI platform known for its scalability and security features. It offers a comprehensive suite it offers a comprehensive suite of tools for reporting, analysis, and mobile analytics. as well as advanced capabilities for data mining and predictive analytics. With its multi-dimensional data model and in-memory analytical engine, MicroStrategy enables users to explore the large volume of data quickly and efficiently. MicroStrategy focus on enterprise-grade functionality and governments makes it well-suited for organizations with complex data environments and regulatory requirements. The next one is the Yellowfin BI. Yellowfin BI is a modern BI platform that focuses on collaboration and storytelling. It offers features for data discovery, visualization, and sharing, as well as the advanced capabilities for data governance and security. With its intuitive interface and customizable dashboards, Yellowfin BI enables users to create the compelling data narratives that can drive actions and decision making. Yellowfin BI emphasis on storytelling and collaboration makes it a preferred choice for organizations looking to foster a data driven culture and empower users at all levels. The next one is the SAP Business Objects. SAP Business Objects is an enterprise BI suite offered by SAP, designed to help organizations transform the data into the actionable insights. It includes modules for reporting, analysis, and data visualization, as well as advanced capabilities for predictive analytics and planning. With its integration with SAP's other enterprise solutions, Business Objects enables users to access and analyze data from across the organization, providing a single source of truth for decision making. SAP Business Object is a popular choice for large enterprises looking for a comprehensive BI solution that aligns with their existing SAP infrastructure. The next one in the list is JasperSoft. JasperSoft is an open BI platform that offers a range of features for reporting, analysis, and data visualization. It includes tools for designing and deploying the interactive reports and dashboards, as well as advanced capabilities for embedding BI functionality into the application. With its flexible architecture and extensive customization options, JasperSoft is a popular choice for organizations looking to build custom BI solutions that meet their specific business needs. The next one in the list is the Dundas BI. Dundas BI is a flexible BI platform that offers a wide range of features for data visualization, reporting, and analytics. It includes tools for building interactive dashboards, creating pixel perfect reports, and conducting the ad hoc analysis. With its robust data modeling capabilities and integration, with its robust data modeling capabilities and integration with other sources, Dundas BI enables users to explore and analyze the data from multiple perspectives, driving deeper insights and informed decision making. It also focuses on flexibility and customization, which makes it a preferred choice for organizations looking for a tailored BI solution that can adapt to the evolving needs. The next one in the list is the Panorama Nectar. Panorama Necto is a collaborative BI platform that focuses on a social decision making and data storytelling. It includes features for data discovery, visualization, and collaboration, as well as advanced capabilities for predictive analytics and machine learning. With its intuitive interface and built-in collaboration tools, Panorama Necto emphasizes on social decision making, which makes it a unique choice for organizations looking to foster a collaborative and data-driven culture. The next one and the last one in the list is the TIBCO Spotfire. TIBCO Spotfire is a powerful analytical platform that offers advanced data visualization and predictive analytical capabilities. It enables the user to explore the data, uncover the insights, and make data driven decisions quickly and easily. With its intuitive interface and interactive visualizations, Spotfire empowers the user to analyze the complex datasets and discover the hidden patterns and trends. Spotfire also offers advanced analytical features such as predictive modeling, geospatial analytics, and streaming the analytics, which makes it a comprehensive solution for organizations looking into driving the innovations and gain a competitive edge. In this video, we have explored a range of business intelligence tools, each offering unique features and capabilities for data analysis and visualization. Whether you are a beginner or experienced analyst, understanding the strength and weakness of these tools will empower you to choose the right BI solution for your organization needs. Stay tuned. In the next session, we'll be talking about the data warehousing concepts in the Power BI. Thank you.